Hey you guys, it's Luke Newcomer in my personal favorite Saint Augustine Beach neighborhood, Coquina Gables. We're at this beautiful modern home. We're coming to market, private property tour. The address is 506 F Street. Walking distance to the beach, walking distance to restaurants, bars. Everything you love about Saint Augustine Beach is here, and everything you're gonna love about this home is right inside. So let's go check out 506 F Street. All concrete polished floors throughout. This was built by local favorite, Entire Inc. 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, plus a half bathroom, just shy of 2,400 square feet, all open living, nice high ceilings for volume. Beautiful dining setup. You guys, this house has a pool as well, oversized lot. Let's keep that in mind. Can't wait to show you that at the end. Big pieces of granite, gorgeous backsplash, tons of storage, stainless steel appliances. Nice open living concept. You got the living room, you got the kitchen, you got the dining room. It all blends and flows beautifully together, flooded with natural light, guys. So main living area. Off to my right over here, walk-in laundry, which has access to an oversized 2-car garage. Let's go check out the master. Get a clip of the half bath right there. So master bedroom, access out to the pool, wake up in the morning, wake yourself up with a nice dip in the pool. The ensuite is gorgeous. Again, all concrete polished floors throughout. Stand shower, beautiful soaking tub, his and her vanity, water closet, can shut off. Huge walk-in closet. I'll stand back in here. I mean, this thing's never ending, okay? So we're gonna walk out of the master, take you back into the main living area. We're gonna go upstairs. Now before you come up here, I just wanted to stand at the balcony, little landing spot on the second floor, tons of natural light up here. You got the industrial modernized style ceiling fan. So come on upstairs, let's check out these bedrooms and we're gonna end outside. Come on down this hall. I'm gonna show you one of 3 bedrooms on the second floor. We'll start back here. Currently set up as a home office. Got the Murphy bed, it's built in, that stays with the house. It's great for guests. Pull this down, boom, you got a bed. Full bathroom off to my left. Double vanity, granite countertops. And it's kind of, it'll be a little tight, so you don't need to come in, but you can shut the door off into the shower and the toilet as well, which is really nice. Go into bedroom 2 of 3. King size bed, 2 nightstands, really high ceilings. I mean, I love the high ceilings. Makes everything feel so much larger, really gives it nice volume. And then we're gonna go into bedroom 3 of 3 on the second floor. You got the bunk beds in here. It's great for guests, kids. You can fit everyone in this house, okay? So you just saw the master, the 3 bedrooms upstairs, the bathrooms. This is such a tastefully modern home. You're gonna fall in love with the outside. Let's go. Now I know I said we're going to the pool, but let's just take one more glimpse, get a little bit of this entire room, because this is unreal. I want you to remember this house. You're gonna love it. There is nothing like this on the market, nothing like this in Saint Augustine Beach, nothing like it in this neighborhood. Tastefully designed, tastefully finished, built with integrity. All right, now let's go look at this pool. All right, guys, we saved the best for last. We've got this gorgeous total paver, tons of vegetation, citrus trees, beautiful pool. You got the spa, fully fenced in. This place has it all, okay? I'm grilling here, morning coffee. This is tranquil. I mean, this is what living in Saint Augustine Beach is all about. You got this beautiful modern coastal home, great fire pit. Grab an orange from the citrus tree. You come back from the beach. Kick off your suit. Hop in the shower. Put a curtain right here. You also have access into the house from this side door as well. 506 F Street, located in Coquina Gables. You will never find a house quite like this. Book your tour today. Let the Newcomer group get you through here exclusively. Again, my name's Luke Newcomer. Come check this place out. You're not going to regret it.